Hi, this is Mark Talise, and I want to show you a feature of the Traffic Player where you can now have your videos and skins in the sidebars or in the header or in the footer of your WordPress blogs using the widget feature. I'm going to give you an example right now. I'm going to take this YouTube video right here, and I'm just going to come up here and I'm going to grab the URL of this. Let me see, grab the URL. Here it is right here. And I'm going to grab the URL. It ends after the right before the and sign. So I'm going to grab that URL, and I'm going to come to a blog here, and let's just come to this one here, and I'm going to just erase what's there. And the way to set it up with a widget is first you have to go to your visual editor, open up a page or a posting, and go to your visual editor. And you have to create your code. So open up a TP, and let's just say, for example, I'm going to paste that YouTube video in there, or it can be if you have the advanced version, it could be a Flash player as well. I'm going to go without skin, and I'm going to choose skin number, let's say, for example, I don't know, it could be any here. Let's just say, for example, the silver medium. And I'm going to choose something small. Let's just go, for example, 220 by 130. Okay, something small. And controls no. I'm going to center the skin, autoplay no, and leave that the same. And I'll click insert, and that'll generate the code. Now I can come here and I need to copy that, and I'm just going to copy it, or I'm going to cut it out so it goes to my clipboard. And now I'm going to go to my widgets, and first of all I'm going to pick a theme. I have a number of themes here. I'm going to pick a theme, and I'm going to use instead of the optimized press, I'm going to use the flex squeeze, because it has some great sidebars and headers and footers where I can add code in. So that's the flex squeeze. And for example, I'm going to, if I visit the blog right now, and I'll show you the flex squeeze, you can see here that has a great big this is the header. It's called a featured area, so I can put a video in there in the featured area, or I can put a video in these sidebars here, on the sidebars on the right, or I can come down below, and this is the footer section. I can add a video in the footer section as well. So not just in the page or the posting, which is this section right here. And the way you go about doing that is you go back to your dashboard, and I would just simply go to widgets, and you can see here that in the flex squeeze, or a lot of different blogs out there, there's a sidebar top, sidebar left, the featured top, and the footer. So I can come down here, and I can, in the footer, I can, for example, I can, you want to grab a text widget, and you want to move that, simply click and drag, move it to the footer. And you couldn't see what I just did here, but I moved it to the footer section right here. So it's now in this section right here. And you just open that up, and I'm going to simply just right click and paste that code right in there. Okay, and I'm going to save that. Click on save. Now, just to show you different areas, I'm also going to put it inside the featured featured area. So again, you come over here and you go to your text. You go to your text and you drag it to the featured top. I'm going to drag it to the featured top, and when I release, it opens up the text widget. So I'll open that up, and I'm going to paste it again right in there. So now it's going to be in the featured, and it's going to be in the footer. Okay, so I'm going to save that, and now I can also put it in the sidebar. So again, I'm going to grab a widget, and this is going to look real funky because I'm putting it everywhere. And I'm going to put it in the sidebar top. Okay, that's the sidebar top. So it opens that up, sidebar top. So I'm going to paste it right in there. So now it's going to be all over the place. It's going to look kind of funky. I probably need to work on the sidebar, the width and the height a little bit better. But if you're going to do that, make sure you generate the code first in the page and posting. And don't play with the width and the height right here. You need to go back to your page and post and generate the code once again, because it also automatically will adjust the skin sizes, and you need to do that using the generator. So I will save that. So now if we look at everything here, I have the video in the sidebar top, I have the video in the featured, and I have a video in the footer. Okay, it's gonna look real funky. So let me just go to the site here, and I will just simply go to the site. And there it is right there, okay? It's a small video, but just for illustration purposes, I can click on there. And there's a video. Okay? Obviously, I can choose a different skin, or I can do whatever I want in the header section. I can add text. You just get the example. Here's the sidebar. See that? And here's the footer down here. See that? So again, that's how easy it is to do that. And again, you can use any theme or any blog in the header, footer, sidebar, anything that supports widgets, and which all blogs would. And so I just wanted to show you the possibilities that you have with the Traffic Player. It now adds supports to it's widgetized, so that you can add your skins and your videos to your sidebars and headers and footers and to different widget areas. Thank you, and this is Mark DeLeese with thetrafficplayer.com.